Welcome to another episode of Everything Under the Sun. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't, go ahead and do that now. Don't forget to write your comments, like what you see, and we're off to the races. Today we're back to opening boxes. Yay, I'm so excited about this. I got my handy dandy glasses. I have my handy dandy scissors, and away we go. This box is from QVC. If you guys happen to see, you guys know the game Where's Waldo? Well, we have something like that going on today because my granddaughter is just, I don't know what she ate, but she's not acting right. So if you see her in the picture, which actually I'm sure you do, sitting pretty right over there, just ignore her, okay? So this is, let's see. I don't know. These would help. This is, what is this? Range Clean Fat Trapper grease container. Oh, okay. So you know how you fry French fries or fried chicken or whatever the case may be, and you have all that extra oil? What you don't want to do is you don't want to pour it down the drain, because then you'd have to call the man. And when I say the man, the plumber, all he's gonna do is bend over and show his crack his whack, and he's gonna charge you a huge bill. So you don't want to do that. What you do is you get smart like me and you order something like this, and don't think that turning the hot water on and running it while you're pouring the grease down the drain is gonna work. Nope, that does not work. You're still gonna call the plumber. You're still gonna see his crack. But this, I haven't used it yet, but I'm glad I'm opening it now, because with this quarantine, I've been doing a lot of cooking. It was $27.50 total. That includes shipping, handling, and taxes. So what it is, it's so cute. You can actually set it on your countertop. I don't think I'm gonna do that, but I did order white because I want all my appliances white. You can set it on your countertop. I may set it on my countertop now that I think about it. All this is gonna be recycled. It's really cute, and it comes with some baggies. So what you do is you open up the bag like so, and I believe this bag might be biodegradable. That's why I bought it, you know, trying to save the earth. One biodegradable bag at a time. You put it in here, put the lid on, you fry your chicken, pour the grease in here, you seal it, you loop it, you pull the ties, and you toss it. That's all you do. Cool, huh? $27.50 QVC. I'll fix that later. Next, by the way, I hope you guys are being safe out there. Social distancing. By the time this video is posted, I hope that everything is back to normal, but we shall see. What is this? I don't think you guys are gonna wanna see this. I know what this is. I know I said that the last time. Let me take a quick peek. Yeah, these are some ugly shoes. I bought them. I don't think you want to see them, so I'm not going to show them to you. They might go back. Actually, I'm going to find some use for them. I don't like to send things back for some reason. I feel like they know where I live. They're going to come back and knock on my door and then just drop everything off again and make me pay for it. Ooh, this is a jacket, I think. Like this. It is a jacket from one of my favorite HSN designers. Her name is Marla Wynn, and the jacket is, can't see without these glasses. Oh wow, these were cheap. Oh no, they weren't. I mean, it's not bad. With tax, shipping, and handling, $112.45. The price of the jacket is $99.50. I'm gonna put this on right now, just so I can show you. Swap this one out. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Turn around. All right, this is the jacket. Isn't it cute? I didn't want to swap out the jacket while you guys were watching because I have a spaghetti strap dress on, and I haven't seen my wax lady in a long time. This coronavirus has us. Okay. All right. So here we go. This box right here. Psych, I already opened it. It is, ooh, I like Copper Chef. All right, so, all right, so Copper Chef. Now this was a really good deal. So this I got from ShopHQ, Copper Chef. I like Copper Chef because it's so easy to use. You can use it on the stove top, and then from stove top you can go right into the oven. Now the reason why I got this particular one is there's always a reason for everything, even if you think not. Was this already opened and sent back by someone? And now they're sending it to me? Because this tape, one thing I hate is when it looks like the box was already open and it was retaped. You know how when you return something to the store, you can see them do it. You see them tape it back. You're right there. So what do you think they're doing to it? They're gonna put it back on the shelf. Somebody already had their dirty hands on your product. Ugh. I don't know why I'm making all these noises. So let me show you why. So I've been watching a lot of, I don't know why I'm making all these sound effects, but actually I do know why. I've been watching a lot of movies lately, a lot of action and especially zombie movies. I saw Divine Fury, Flu, FLU, Train to Busan. All those are Korean films. I think Train to Busan might be Japanese. Well, no, it's Korean. So those three, and then today I was watching, what was I watching today? I Am Legend. That's another weird zombie movie. I don't know if they're zombies, but they're the dead that came back to life. All right, bear with me while I show you why I ordered this particular set. And it is because this is where my head was at when I was watching it. I figure I can cook right here. I'm gonna get all this yucky stuff out of the way. Actually, I'm not, because it comes with something else. So I can cook, even if I have to bake in here, stovetop oven, and then this looks nice on the table. And I actually ordered 4 of these. They're $29.99 for the set. It comes with this and it comes with something else I'm gonna show you in a minute. And I ordered 4. Can you imagine 4 of these on your table instead of buying those expensive chafing dishes or those yucky foil pans? This is so classy. It's all uniform and it's really nice looking. Let me see what else is in here. Oh, a handy dandy skillet. So this has a double purpose. You can use it to cook. You can use it to pretend to cook. Let me tell you how you can pretend to cook. What you do is you order takeout, you put it in, you saute garlic and onions, because garlic and onions makes it smell good and it makes it seem like you know what you're doing. While you have this with the cooked food already in here, and then sprinkle a little sweat on you, a little water so it looks like sweat, and there you go. That's how you pretend to cook. But you have to say that you don't feel like eating, because if you don't cook, I'm gonna tell you, if you do a lot of cooking, you're not gonna wanna eat after. You'll take a bite and then you're done. For some reason, that's what happens to me. I don't know why. Last box. I know I only try to do 4 boxes a day or at a time per episode. The reason why I'm doing another box is because that one box I threw away, and I didn't throw it away, it's over there, but I just didn't want you, this box is heavy. I just didn't want you to see that one because I don't think you would like it. Oh, by the way, QVC and all these other home shopping channels that I watch and order from, you can make payments if you don't want to pay for the entire thing. For example, that Copper Chef pot set was $29.99 or $29.95, but the payments are only $5 a month, all right? So think of that. All right, this looks like a ton of clothes. I don't know if I should go through all these, but I ordered it from HSN, so that's one. Let me put this box down. I don't even think I want to show you guys all these because it might not be your style. I don't know why I'm embarrassed of that. But you know what I'm gonna do? Remember this box. So I have one, there are 2 shirts from Iman. Now Iman, by the way, she has a lot of really inexpensive clothes. on HSN. So check her out. I don't know what this is, but it's something. That's 2. I know what this is. This is a dress. And it's again from Marla Wynn, where I showed you that jacket. And I might even wear it with that jacket. So that's 3. I have something black, which I have a whole closet full of black things. So this can be anything. I have some funky pants. These again are from Iman. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, what do you know? When I like something, I buy all the colors. So that's another pair of funky pants from Iman. 7, just in a different color. I don't know. Oh, I know what these are. This goes with the first thing. This goes with this. So it's like palazzo pants and a tank top. So you have the gray that you can wear together, and then you have the animal print that you can wear together, or you can mix and match. So that's another set from Iman. And this looks like a blouse from Iman. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The jacket 9. Next time I'm gonna put all these on and I will show you how they look. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, do all that good stuff. See you later. Bye.